to mercy, for you found me, wrapped your truth around me. I'm not a stranger to grace, I have seen it in your face. I am not a stranger to kindness, we're the broken, with your life inside us. You have brought your gospel to me, and I breathe it every day. How did I become your miracle? Now to take your truth and tell the world, I'm gonna take it to the streets, I'm gonna sing it till we meet. Heaven is open, come on all the earth rejoice. I'm gonna take it to the streets, wake up the dead heart from its sleep. Heaven is open, now's the time to raise our voice. I must tell the world of this mercy, for you found me, wrapped your truth
Salita ng Diyos, ang plano ng Diyos, ang kabutihan ng Diyos na inilalaan. Sabi ng aking kasama kanina na may plano ang Diyos sa ating mga buhay.
We're the broken, with your life inside.
Buhay ay hindi siya ganoon kasaya.
Help me live it every day. How did we become your miracles? Now to take your truth and tell the world, I'm gonna take it to the streets.
Dahil namatay para sa atin. Siya'y na
Heaven is open, come on all the
Ibahagi sa inyo kung paano po ang Diyos ay
pagkaraniwan lang sa atin yung ating.
At dahil sa pag-ibig ng Diyos sa ating pong mga buhay, mga ito, dahil na walang katulad. Kabutihan ng ating pong Panginoon.
Salita ng Diyos, mga karakter sa Bible. Pero hindi alam kong mali, pero patuloy.
Kaya kung ikaw ay sumunod sa panalangin,
The Potter's House.
take it to the streets now. How did I become your miracle? Now to take your truth and tell the world, I'm gonna take it to the streets, I'm
na
gonna
nagpapasaya sa akin pagkasama ko. Pero
Dahil nga po, ako po ay nakapinig po ng salita po ng Diyos po sa
rejoice. I'm gonna take it to the streets, wake up the dead heart from its sleep. Heaven is open, now's the time to raise
Kung nakikinig sa mabuting payo mula sa Diyos. Sabi dito,
Tunay na binago ng ating Panginoon at ang ngalan. Panginig ko kayo ng mga patugo ng buhay. Patunay na
Isang kabataan at lumaki po ako sa church. Ibig sabihin po nito ay bilang isang kabataan. Naroon po bilang
from its sleep. Heaven is open, now's the time to raise our voice. So sing.
kami po yung mga nangaral. Yung mga nangyari.
Take it. It's time to take it. It's time to take it to the streets. Take it to the streets. Come on, people. I know we can make it.
si Jesus sa buhay natin. Siya ay ilaw at nagbibigay siya ng pag-asa.
Diyos ay kumilos po sa aking buhay. Kaya dakila ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. Ang ibig sabihin na dakila ang pag-ibig ng Diyos, walang papatay. No? Hindi po walang papatay. Pinagliligtas. Aking po itong inaangkin. Huwag ito mawaglit sa aking damdamin. Bagkus ay akin itong paniwalaan.
Every day we get to breathe. You're the reason for anything that lasts. Every second chance, every life. Life is so sweet. You're the reason for every good thing, every good thing. Every good thing, every good thing. You're the reason for every good thing, every good thing. Every good thing, every good thing. You're the reason for. Feeling that I get when I see my children smile.
Kung mahimot ko man lamang ang kanyang gabi, ang gagawin ko.
It's you alone, your love, your love.